My name is Angela Lansbury. I'm the author of many books, and I coached many people and taught many people English in Singapore as well as in London. And my problem has always been promoting myself and my books, telling people about my books and getting them to buy my books. But I have been on the Speakers for Leaders course in Singapore, and it's just wonderful. It has transformed how I think about selling my books, selling myself, getting people to benefit from what I can do for them. So if you've got time and money, or just time, get in touch with Speakers Are Leaders. And if you've got time or money or just time, get in touch with me, Angela Lansbury. I'm on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Angela Lansbury Author. I also have a wonderful website on Blogspot, Travel with Angela Lansbury, which links through to all my others. Over to you.